Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Stocking Perpetrator here. Today's video, I was setting up to do talk about something else, and while I was setting up, I was checking a few things on my channel. Sorry about that. And I saw one of my viewers had made a comment in one of my videos talking about my typeset, and she had said she purchased a typeset, a Dansco typeset, just like the one I have. I don't know if she got the dust jacket, but she said she got the typeset, the 7070 from eBay. And I'll leave the cover out. And she said when she got it, she was mad because 3 of the slides were missing from it. And that's a shame that a eBay seller would sell an album and send it out with 3 slides missing. Especially, these are not cheap. The typeset is one of the more popular Dansco albums, the 7070, and these usually run $54 unless you're lucky enough to win one off of an auction. You may get it cheaper, but I have seen these go for, I haven't seen one, I don't watch the auctions, but I haven't seen a buy it now for less than like $55. Sometimes that's with free shipping, sometimes you got to pay shipping. But the fact that she got hers missing 3 slides, and then I said I would do a video. Now, depending on which slide she's missing, and let me pick one. If it's one of the bigger double slides, I won't be able to do it. Let me find one that's a small. Let me pick a small window, something that doesn't matter much. Hold on a second. Let me get that slide started off of this right here. Give me just a second. First thing you want to do, like you have your slides. This is the thinner one. It's just a single row, short, fits right in. Some of them are bigger, like the next page here. Let's see if I can get one to, it's hard to do with the gloves on. Hold on, let me slide one of the bigger ones. Oh, should have prepped this up before I started doing this. Some pages have the bigger slide, which is much bigger, and I lost the other slide. What did I do with it? Oop. I got coins falling out. There it is. Alright, so you gotta, your slides vary in size. I don't know if you can see that. This one is that wide, and then this one is, so you can see the size difference. One thing you need to know is you can find different things that are the semi-rigid plastic, and you need to make sure, like your Mylar flips. You hear that noise when I flip the corner. If it doesn't make that corner, that means it's the soft PVC. And everybody knows the soft PVC will ruin your coins. So listen for that sound. Your big flips have that distinct sound with it. I'm going to slide the bigger one back because I don't have anything big enough to cut. But what I'm going to do, there's something else you can do. I have a beat up, I got it cheap, American Civil Eagle album somebody didn't take care of. I got it just for parts. I've already used the screws out of this to fix an album that had messed up screws. Somebody had they weren't nice when they were putting their coins in, and they broke the bridge in between slots and everything. But what this does have is some extra slides that I clean up if I need a slide for one of my other books. So you could, if you're dealing with a smaller slide, you could use one of those. And I was using the flip. I'll let you hear that sound again. You want to make sure you got some rigid plastic. But what I have is a rigid, this is a bill holder. This is a, I can't remember the brand on this, but this is this is a non-PVC, but it has that sound and everything. So what you can do is, this is just about perfect width-wise going across. You can see it laying on the page there. I'll stand the book up here. It's the perfect length from this side this way. It's too big that way, so all I have to do is just get a mark, and I'm just going to do this in crude form. So you'll have to, what you want to do is you can get yourself a straight edge and do your cutting. Make sure I don't cut the original. Let's just trim off the edge there. Just simply I did a crude cut. A little bit long. So we can fix that. I am going to cut a little angle to round the corners just a little bit on my new piece. I can't see it. Here we go. And then I'll just cut it across. Give it a little curve to the corner there. Let's see. So it doesn't have a blunt corner. And then I have just created, all right, come on. Oh, come on. It's like threading a needle. Come on. There we go. And then I just created my own slide. I probably have it cut a little too wide. I didn't push it all the way in, but that is to my viewer out there. That is something you can do. And just make your own. And mine's still a little bit long, so I'd trim it down. Just probably take a couple fits, back it out, and cut just a little more off. But that's one solution you can do for your one solution you can do to make your own slide if you don't want to send the book back to the seller and buy from another seller that has a complete book to sell you. But anyway, let me know your thoughts down below. Have you ever had to make your own slide to replace or fill in a missing slide for an album you got that didn't have a slide? Let me know your comments down below. Hope this was helpful, and we will see you on another one.